Hi, Leslie and Matt. My name is Michaela. I spoke with Matt on the phone today who told me to send this video over. I am just calling carpet cleaners in your area, walking you through your websites, letting you know of the new changes that Google made to ranking websites on their platform, as well as discuss your overall online performance and how to get brand new leads just from your website. This is all free information. I just ask that you send me a quick email when you're done just to let me know what you thought about this video, and that would greatly help me out. So to start, I do have a background with some digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks now at three specific aspects to ranking websites on their platform. Number one, and probably the most important aspect, is going to be content. Content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your site. So all this information here counts, and here you've got descriptions under each service. And then that's it. So not bad, but overall not a lot, right? So let me tell you why content is so important and give you an example. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia is always your #1 search result. Why is that? Well, it's because it has so much content. For Google, content is key. It's the biggest organic mover over anything else I talk about today. So again, you could be ranking at number 15, at position 15 for a specific keyword and go all the way up to number 2 or 1 with content alone. It's literally that powerful. So after knowing how much Google loves content, as well as doing a little research on some competition in your area, I'm going to recommend you have between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on just your homepage alone. Doing this is going to do two things for you. Number one, it's going to allow you to outrank anybody in your area who is currently ranking for content, as well as be found by Google when they do that sweep of the internet, allowing it easy access to just move you right up the rankings. With that said, on every additional page, we recommend you have anywhere between 750 to 1,000 words of content. So by looking here, doesn't look like you're far off from that. And we do this for two reasons. One, because it adds a ton of content to our website, right? And what do we know about content? We know that Google loves it. So the more content we have, it's just easier for Google to move us, as well as allow us to become the content leader in our area. So these all do look pretty good. It also allows us to put appropriate keywords on every page we offer. So for instance, on this carpet cleaning page, we would add all of the carpet cleaning Daphne, Alabama, and surrounding areas that you service, those appropriate keywords on your page so that you rank for them. Let me show you what I mean. This here is Ahrefs, and it just gives me an overall breakdown of how you're doing on the internet today. As we see, only about 7 people coming to your website every month, so not a lot of traffic, right? Let's have a look at the keywords you're ranking for. For the keywords you're currently ranking for, ServiceMaster Mobile, you're at position 8, and Carpet Cleaning Fairhope, you're at 9. Those are the only two that are on page 1, and you're not getting much from them. Beyond that, everything else is on page 2 or beyond. You have a decent amount of keywords, you're just not ranking high for them. So how do we do that? By including these keywords you want to rank onto the content, onto your website. That's going to increase the amount of traffic and allow you to rank higher for those keywords. Again, Google has an algorithm in position for what it likes to see, but overall just increasing the amount of keywords in the content on your website and make sure it's surrounded by plenty of text is going to cause this number to go up. Next, let's talk about these two numbers, UR and DR. UR is directly related to a citation. In a citation, anytime I do a basic Google search here for carpet cleaning Daphne, Alabama, we see the GMB, or this Google My Business. From the get-go, your top 3 competitors here are going to get the most business based on visibility alone. So, how do we get to this position? We do that by adding citations, and a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up in an online directory like Yelp or Yellow Pages. As you add more and more to your your name to the directories. You're going to climb this ladder until you secure a top position, getting that instant visibility, which every business owner wants, right? Our name and information to be in front of and exposed to as many people as possible. So this is going to be huge. And by all means, if you're the service industry leader for content in your area, let's go ahead and be the citation leader in our area as well and be the #1 competition for people to beat. Doing that and adding more citations is going to cause this UR number to increase. I'm going to tell you why that's important here in just a second. Next, this DR is directly related to backlinks and referring domains. And a backlink is anywhere that your business's website has a clickable link on another business website. So think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. The more good referring domains that we have host our backlink, it actually directs a lot of their influence back down to our site. So the more influence we have pointing back to our site, the higher this DR is going to go. With that said, people in your area who are ranking high on Google, getting a lot of traffic, have a high UR, high DR, and a high amount of ranking keywords surrounded by content on their site, resulting in high organic traffic. So once more, content, citations, and backlinks are the 3 main aspects that Google looks for when ranking websites on their platform. Well, Matt and Leslie, I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Again, if it's not too much trouble, send me a quick email. Just tell me your thoughts about this video. But for now, that's all I have. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll be in touch. Bye-bye.